This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. The terminal side of angle A in the interval 0 to 360 degrees in standard position passes through the point -4, -7. Draw angle A in standard position and find the exact value of cosecant A and cosine A. All right, first of all, we know this is a positive angle because it's in between 0 and 360 degrees, and it passes through the point -4 and -7. So what we could do is plot that point, -4 and -7. So let's see, -4, -7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's say that's -7 and that's -4. Then we know the angle is passing through this ordered pair. So we know the terminal side, passes through that point. And since it's positive and not going around more than 360 degrees, this must be the angle we're looking for. So now we're looking for the exact value of cosecant A and cosine of A. So I like to do it by dropping, this perpendicular, or actually I'm putting it up and then labeling my sides here. So my x coordinate of this ordered pair is -4. I just like to write that on the side. And the y value here is going to be -7, right? Because that's what we were given. So the question is, what is r? And so we could use the Pythagorean theorem or use the rule that the r is the square root of the x squared plus the y squared. Because the actual length, if you think about the Pythagorean theorem, is this length squared, which is 4 squared plus 7 squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So that's where that comes from. So we have 16 plus 49, right? And then we have to add that. That's square root of 65. And square root of 65. 65 is 5 times 13, so we can't simplify that square root of 65. So we've got that x is -4, we have y is -7, and now we know that r is the square root of 65. So we're ready to state the cosecant and the cosine. The cosecant, right? The cosecant is r over y, right? It's the reciprocal of the sine. So it's square root of 65 over -7. And usually you just write the minus sign out in front, and you don't have to rationalize the denominator here because it's just 7. And so there is our cosecant. The cosine, write it over here. The cosine is x over r, so that would be -4 over square root of 65. And we need to rationalize the denominator in this case. So I've got one minus sign, so it's negative. In the numerator, it'll be 4 square roots of 65, and 65 in the denominator, nothing else cancels. So this is our answer for the cosine of A. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.